Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Jersey Diamond coming to you with another video. Today is January 31st. I haven't been on here recording videos. I've been on the church fast and now I'm off the fast. Today was the last day of the fast at 1 o'clock for 21 days. So I made it through and I'm coming back with a vengeance. I'm coming back. I want to do at least 4 videos a week, maybe more. I want to be consistent on my channel. I know consistency is the key. And I'm just excited about being back. As you know, I was having trouble with my eye. I've had surgeries on my eye. Now I'm getting ready to have laser on there. And I'm excited about that. That's another reason why I don't have makeup on, because I don't think makeup, you need the whole kit and caboodle. You need eyes. Oh, excuse me. You need everything when you're doing your makeup. And I can't do the eyes because this eye is a little sore because I went last week and had some work done on it. So anyhow, I'm just excited about to be back with my YouTube family. I'm excited. This is like the 3rd time I tried to do this video. I said I wasn't going to make this video very long. I was doing some boxes. I got rid of a lot of my subscription boxes because I wasn't using the makeup that I had. It's because of my eye, and it's just piling up and just piling up. So I did keep oh gosh, I did keep my boxy charm, base box, and I did keep my Ipsy, the base Ipsy, the $12 bag, and I did sign up for the X bag. So those are the only bags that I get, and boxes and bags. But I am going to be doing add-ons, so that may help some of my videos. And I did do a BoxyCharm add-on, the last month for January, December for January. And I got it yesterday, which was Saturday, the 30th. So I don't want to sling dates around but I just wanted the date thrown around that I'm coming back. You know, that's the date, was January 31st. And I don't know. I'm just like not sure what I want to do on my channel. I just want to do inspiration. I want to do the videos on my boxes that I've gotten and bags that I've gotten and that I'm going to be getting, and just looking forward to doing some new things from February on. And I just need your input in the comments. Please let me know what you want to see. Makeup, of course, that's my main thing. And I love eyeshadow palettes. That is my thing. I've got the NARS foundation. I've got well, it's not the new, none of this is new now, but the Too Faced and the It Cosmetics foundation. I'm just going to be trying those out and see what works best for me, what color, match up. Because I was using the, I'm trying to think of it. Can't think of the name of it, but when I get it, I'll put it down in the description bar. I've never used that. I'm trying to learn how to edit and all that stuff. And I bought a new camera, not a new camera, but a new phone, the iPhone 12 Pro. And I know it's a lot of things that I can do with this phone, but I just need to sit down and try to work it out and figure out how to use it. So anyway, I'm going to, and this is the BoxyCharm add-on that I got. This was, I guess, the $35 base box that they had on sale for $25. So I got that because my niece likes that, what is it? This was the card. I'm sorry. This was the card. And while I'm doing this, hit that subscribe button. Hit that button and be subscribed to my channel, because we going to go all the way, my little diamonds. We going to go all the way, my diamonds. Not little diamonds, but diamonds. This is our channel, and we going to work it out, and you going to help me figure it out, and we on our way. But like I was saying, my niece liked it, the CEO cream. She likes this. And it was in the box. So this box, this usually sells for $65. And I got it in my, I guess it was the $35 bag that I got for $25. It was in there. And this is like I said, this is a $65 product. And I got it technically free. So, and then it came with the Too Faced Born This Way powder in translucent. Translucent, I guess that's the right way. We'll do both ways to see what way is the right way. And what else came in there? The Ciate London palette was in there, which I'm happy to try this. Excuse the ring light. I don't know why it's like, it's bouncing off of this here. And it was the editor palette. And I am excited about this palette. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it because, like I said, I had so many palettes that were piling up and I haven't been able to use them. But this is what the palette looks like. Let me put this card up there. This is what the palette looks like. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful palette. I mean, my daughter said, why are the colors are so dark? But they are dark colors because this is winter. And I think I'm going to enjoy this palette when I get around to using it. Look at it. Oh, it's a beautiful palette. It's a raised, feels raised here where the writing is. Oh, it's nice. It feels nice. Very, and it's plastic. And I'm excited about that. I'm excited about. Actually, I'm excited about everything that's in this box. What else is in the box? This mess. Not a mascara, it's the lash that you put on your eyes. It's like a primer for your eyeshadow, not the eyeshadow, the lashes. So I'm excited about that. And what else? And I'm definitely excited about this MAC lipstick. This is my color. If I like dark lipstick, I don't care what time of the season it is. I like dark lipstick, and this is what it looks like. I don't want to swatch it because I have so many open that I have to use, but this is it. It looks darker in person than it does on the, oh, I stuck my hand on it. But anyway, that's what that looks like, and I'm excited about that. I know like TJ Maxx and Marshall's been getting a lot of MAC products, but I was happy to get this in the box. I didn't have to pay for it because, like I said, by the time I got the CEO cream, the face cream for my niece, and the translucent Too Faced powder, which I don't know if I'm going to use that because right away because that'll go in my stash. I have so many powders that I need to try to get through some of them. But that's, that's about all that I wanted to talk about right now. When I get to 100 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. And I have a lot to give away, which I think I'm going to break it up and, maybe do 2 giveaways instead of one big one. I'm not sure, but you guys hit this, the comments and let me know, should I do 2 or 1? So just let me know. Keep a girl posted. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. There's no thumbs down in God. There's always thumbs up in God. So give me a thumbs up and comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so my lips are very dry because I had the mask on. I went to church today. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. And I will talk to you soon. Oh, motivation. Motivation. Listen, it's not as bad as it seems. Sometimes we look to the left when we should be looking to the right. Sometimes we look to the right when we should be looking to the left. But the main focus is to keep our eyes on God because He is the prize. He is the author and finisher of our faith. Trust God in everything you say, everything you do, that it be pleasing in His sight. And I thank you for coming to my video, and I will talk to you soon. Be motivated, stay safe. Remember, God loves you, and so do I. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye.